Exciting day today. So we have a finished cage for the Caterham. So I'm on a massive hike down to Portbury service station where the Caterham is, and the cage is there. I picked it up yesterday from Fastlane Customs. They're down in Portbury docks. They might be moving, so keep an eye on their website if they're moving. He's got another set, 2 sets of my wheels, which he's going to be powder coating. If you need anything powder coating, Nathan down at Fastlane Customs is amazing at it, so make sure you check them out and go and follow them on all their socials. You can see what they can get up to. So what we're doing is we're going down, we're going to put the cage on. I'm going to film a bit of putting the cage on. It's a bit of a faff. You've got to put you got to take off the rear suspension, you got to put it all up on axle stands, you've got to fanny around with the whole car and do all of that again. So that's all going to have to be taken apart, because I got the car back together and I drove it a couple of times without the cage on, which feels super dangerous. I don't know why. I've never rolled a car before in my life, but it just feels very odd when your head is effectively the roll cage and you're about 2 inches off the ground. So it'll be nice to have the Caterham back with its new finished, beautifully powder coated cage. I'll show you the colour in a bit. So this is a bit of a long drawn out process. We've got a track day booked in. I've got the wrap being booked in. The wrap is going in on the 25th of July. It's going in for its wrap. So the whole car is going to change, and I can't wait for you to see that. It's going to be really, really cool. That's Shades Wraps up in Chipping Sodbury. They are masters at wrapping cars, and they're really, really good at wrapping Caterham. As always, running down the main road so I don't get run over. Whoa. Bloody hell. Things I do, eh? Here we go. We're here. Portbury service station. Only me. Alright, mate.
You're a bit
How's
late.
it going?
We've already done it.
What, you're joking?
No.
You're joking? You actually already done it? I didn't film any of it. Oh, look at that. Oh, it looks so good. Look at that. Looks wicked. Is it all on the other side as well?
Yeah. Side one.
And you mended my wheel?
Just doing it at the minute.
Oh, a dream. Was it easy?
Yeah, it was actually.
Was it?
Except for the top bolts that goes into the top of the
Yeah,
shop.
because we didn't have the original bolts still, so we had to find bolts.
You didn't have the original? What have you done with the original bolts? See, I said on my thing a minute ago there's going to be some lost bolts because I saw them all being put down.
I thought they were still
Taking bolts off. They literally were taking bolts off and just chucking them over their shoulder. You should have seen it.
Well, we got all new.
You got all new ones?
Look at that.
Oh, okay, as long as it doesn't rattle around.
No door knockers.
Mate, lush. Looks amazing. Now I won't be able to get in and out of it again. I got a slow puncture on this tyre, so that's why I've got that. So basically what we've done is the cage is black still, because I didn't want it to be some like gaudy colour. I wanted it to be a really nice black still, but it was matte black before. But I wanted a really, really nice flake in it, so it's got a really, really heavy silver flake. I'm sure you probably can't see that on camera. I'll try and get it across. It looks amazing in the sunshine, but on here you probably can't see the flake in it. We're going to get some glass cleaner on it just to make it all nice and shiny, but it looks so much better because all of this down here, all of the crap that was all rusty and stuff down there is all gone. And the new seat, which is absolutely sexual, and then we've got, yeah, this looks great. But it's like, it's just a really nice like silver flake in it. Don't know if you can see that. Looks wicked. And what we're having is we're having a set of the wheels done in exactly the same colour, and then I'm having another set of the wheels done in bronze. So you'll have to wait and see what the wrap's going to be, but it'll all tie in together, I promise. And obviously with all of this down here now, all of this down here looks much, much better without any of that. I hate this green wire for the indicators there, but what can you do? But all of this stuff is all lovely and black now, and no rust on there. There's a bit of surface rust on that steering arm, which is a bit annoying, but I think I'm going to leave that one for now. I don't really know. And then all of these decals are coming off, and we're having a whole fresh set of decals. The exhaust, done in matte black, look at that. No one else has got one in matte black. So it's all, as I say, tying in together. I haven't seen many done in matte black, so that's why I really wanted it done in matte black as well. It's done with a stove paint. It's actually really clever. Do it with a stove paint, it just comes up really, really nicely, and it can withstand like 400-degree heat, so it's all good. But yeah, she's looking mint. There you go. What service you get in this place?
Yeah.
Lovely
It's
job.
vodka, mate.
Thank you very much. Is that is it chilled as well?
It is, yeah.
Oh, I see.
Well, yeah.
Oh. Refreshing. How are we looking? Thank you. Cheers, mate. See you later.